Are the colors on your laptop screen looking washed out, too warm, too dull, or just completely wrong? Whether your display suddenly changed after an update, or the colors don't look natural anymore, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several simple methods to fix laptop display color problems in Windows 11. It only takes a couple of minutes, and in many cases, these simple fixes can restore your laptop's display colors without changing any of your personal settings or files. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Tech. Here you'll find simple tech tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and useful Windows tips to help you fix common problems. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss future videos. Step 1. Turn off Night Light. The first thing we'll check is Windows Night Light. Night Light adds a warm tint to your display, which can make colors look inaccurate. Click on the Start menu, then open Settings. From the left-hand side, click on System, then select Display. You'll see the Night Light option. If it's turned on, simply switch it off. Now check your display and see if the colors look normal again. Step 2. Disable color filters. If the colors are still incorrect, Windows color filters may be enabled. Go back to Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Accessibility. Scroll down and select Color Filters. Make sure color filters are turned off. Once disabled, check your display again to see if the color issue has been fixed. Step 3. Refresh your graphics driver. If neither of those settings solve the problem, the issue could be related to your graphics driver. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your graphics adapter from the list and click Next. Once the installation finishes, restart your laptop. After the restart, your display colors should now appear correctly. Those are the easiest ways to fix laptop display color problems in Windows 11. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix It Tech for more Windows tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.